Deep within the Milky Way, a black hole that had remained hidden for millennia suddenly awoke, sending shockwaves through space. This slumbering giant was disturbed by the violent collision of two stars, an event that scientists only recently detected. The discovery has left astronomers in awe and has raised new questions about the hidden dangers lurking in our galaxy. The black hole had been dormant for so long that scientists had nearly forgotten it existed. It had been hiding in plain sight, its presence masked by the dense clouds of interstellar dust. The only clue to its existence was the faint gravitational pull it exerted on nearby stars. When the two stars collided, their energy was enough to disturb the black hole's slumber. This collision released a powerful burst of radiation that was detected by telescopes across the world. The event marked the beginning of a new chapter in black hole research. Astronomers were stunned when they realized the source of the disturbance was a black hole. This discovery has changed the way we understand the distribution and activity of black holes in our galaxy. It also highlights the unpredictable nature of the universe. This event has opened up new possibilities for studying black holes and the role they play in shaping the universe. Scientists are now racing to learn more about this mysterious and powerful object that was once hidden from view. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity at the end of its life. The result is a point of infinite density called a singularity. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can return. Once something crosses this point, it is pulled into the black hole and is lost forever. This makes black holes some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. Black holes come in different sizes, from small stellar black holes to supermassive ones found at the centers of galaxies. The one that was recently awakened is a stellar mass black hole, meaning it is much smaller than the supermassive ones we know. Despite their fearsome reputation, black holes do not actively hunt for objects to swallow. They only affect matter that comes too close to them. This makes the recent event even more surprising, as it was triggered by the collision of two stars. This discovery has given scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study the behavior of black holes in action. It has also provided new insights into the dynamics of star collisions and the forces that shape our galaxy. The black hole was first detected by the European Space Agency's XMM-Newton satellite, which picked up unusual X-ray emissions from a distant region of the Milky Way. These emissions were unlike anything scientists had seen before. The X-ray signal indicated that a massive object was consuming a nearby star, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. Scientists quickly realized that the only explanation for this event was a black hole feeding on a star. Further observations with other telescopes confirmed that the black hole was indeed the source of the emissions. These observations included data from optical and radio telescopes, which helped scientists map the event in greater detail. The black hole had been hidden for so long that its presence was not immediately obvious. It took a combination of data from multiple sources to piece together the full story of this mysterious object. This discovery has been a major breakthrough in the field of astronomy. It has shown that even in our own galaxy, there are still many surprises waiting to be uncovered. The collision of the two stars was the trigger that awakened the dormant black hole. This event was so powerful that it sent a shockwave through the surrounding space, affecting nearby stars and gas clouds. The energy released by the collision was enough to disturb the black hole's gravitational field. This disturbance caused the black hole to begin consuming nearby material at an accelerated rate, leading to the X-ray emissions that were later detected. The collision created a massive outburst of radiation that was visible even from Earth. This event allowed scientists to observe the black hole's activity in a way that had never been possible before. This collision was not just a random event. It was the result of two stars orbiting each other for millions of years before finally merging in a spectacular explosion. This kind of event is rare, making the discovery even more significant. The aftermath of the collision is still being studied by scientists. It has provided a wealth of new data about the behavior of black holes and the forces that shape our galaxy. This discovery has opened up new avenues for research in the field of astronomy. Scientists are now looking for other dormant black holes that may be hidden in the Milky Way, waiting for the right event to awaken them. The fact that a black hole can remain dormant for so long and then suddenly become active is a new and exciting finding. It suggests that there may be many more such objects in our galaxy that we have yet to discover. This discovery has also highlighted the importance of continued observation and data collection in the field of astronomy. It is only through careful study that we can begin to understand the true nature of the universe. The black hole's awakening has given scientists a rare opportunity to study its behavior in real time. This has allowed for a deeper understanding of how black holes interact with their environment and what effects they can have on nearby stars and gas clouds. As we continue to explore the universe, we may find that there are many more hidden dangers and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. This discovery is just the beginning of a new era in black hole research. With the discovery of this newly awakened black hole, scientists are now planning more detailed observations to study its behavior and effects. This includes using some of the most advanced telescopes in the world. Researchers are also looking for similar events in other parts of the galaxy. They believe that these rare collisions may be more common than previously thought, and that many more black holes may be waiting to be discovered. This event has also sparked new interest in the study of gravitational waves, which are ripples in spacetime caused by massive cosmic events. Scientists are now hoping to detect more of these waves from other black hole activities. The data collected from this event will be used to improve our models of black hole behavior and the formation of stars. It will also help us better understand the structure and evolution of our galaxy. This is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in the study of black holes and the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to uncover many more mysteries waiting to be discovered.